This is Ted from The Devil's in the Detail. Some of you will recognise this van. Then it gets maintenance washed quite regular, so you've probably seen it on my page, quite a few times before. This was had a full correction about 4 years ago, and being a straight red with no lacquer on it, the UV has really got to the red paint to the point where it's in need of a bit of attention. So basically we're not going to do a full correction this time. We're just going to get rid of the oxidization of that's arrived on the red paint over a period of time. So you could see the paint's lost its luster. Now Peter only works 2 doors away, so because he uses this van to go home and come to work, I'm doing what I can each day. Yesterday I did the bonnet and the front bumper and this wing. As you can see, it's brought a bit of life back into it. I'm using the 2 orbitals, and as you can see, we're getting a lot of paint transfer onto the pads. So we're doing a 2-stage polish, and then basically the second stage I'm using a rotary to bring up the gloss. I'm then coating it with a coat of Wolfgang sealant, let that cure, and then putting some wax over the top. Don't very often use wax anymore, but I thought until the whole van's done I'm going to protect it, and then I'll wipe it all off and probably put a coat of exo on it to protect it for a year. So like I say, this is a 2-stage polish. It's really just to get the colour back. Basically I'm mowing it down to get the oxidization off with some stiffer pads, and then the second stage I'm using the rotary with some medium cut polish to bring up the gloss, and Menzerna polish as I normally use, and as it breaks down it does give a nice finish without having to go to a 3-stage. So I'll show you as it goes on, but as you can see, the life's coming back, and we're on the door panel. I'm hoping to get this door and that door done today. So we'll crack on. I'll show you as it goes on. Well, we managed to get the one side completed today. Looking a lot more red than it did this morning, that's for sure. And it's coming up quite well. So tomorrow we'll start the other side. Looks a bit redder more than pink anyway. I machine polished the glass while I was at it, so that looks just as tidy. And bit of orbital on the foot bar. Right, I'm pretty pleased with the day's work. So tomorrow we'll start the other side. Thanks for watching.